Hi, this is William from Global English TESOL courses, and I have another quick tip to help you when it comes to English teaching on Zoom. This one is all about sharing screens, but making sure that your students can also share their screens when they are in the classroom as well. So, watch this space for a quick tip. So, you'll see I'm in my Zoom meeting here, and as I navigate across, I've got my Share Screen button down here in green. Now, if I click on the small green uptick there, you'll see that I can click on multiple participants can share simultaneously. I need to enable that so that more than one person can share their screen if we move into breakout rooms, or if I want to have different people sharing their screens in the main session. So that's just a quick tip on screen sharing. Hope you find that useful and enjoy your online English teaching.